Welcome to this professional learning series on teaching and leading with generative AI in K through 12 schools. Right now, AI is everywhere. It's writing essays, generating lesson plans, and even creating images and videos. For many educators, this feels exciting and a little overwhelming. You may be asking, how do I use AI without losing my own voice as a teacher? How do I prepare students for a future shaped by AI while protecting their critical thinking today? That's exactly what this series is about. Together, we'll explore what generative AI really is, how to integrate it responsibly into your teaching, and how to set clear expectations for students. We'll also talk about educator best practices, professional growth, and the policy schools need to keep learning authentic, safe, and fair. Each module will give you practical strategies, hands-on exercises, and even sample prompts you can try with your own classes or staff. By the end, you'll be equipped not just to use AI, but to teach with it in ways that protect academic integrity, spark creativity, and strengthen critical thinking. So let's get started. Module 1, Understanding Generative AI in Education. In this first module, we're setting the foundation. Generative AI is technology that can create new content, whether that's text, images, music, video, or even code. It learns patterns from vast amounts of data and uses those patterns to generate original outputs. Let's look at why this matters in schools. AI can save teachers time by drafting lesson plans, generating practice questions, or offering multiple ways to explain a concept. But here's the catch. Research shows that the more confident we become in AI, the less likely we are to critically evaluate what it produces. That's where your role comes in, modeling AI literacy and showing students that AI outputs are starting points, not final answers. Okay, let's look at an exercise. Think about your own teaching. When have you used AI for lesson planning or grading? Write down one case where it truly helped and one case where you would have been at risk if you had accepted the AI's answer without checking. Practice prompt. Try this with your subject. Explain the concept of photosynthesis at a 5th grade reading level. Provide 3 analogies students can relate to, such as food, sports, or household chores. Now that we've set the foundation, in the next session, let's explore some guiding principles for using AI responsibly. Click the video on your screen and we'll get started. Until next time, keep learning with purpose.